To enable private browsing in Reddit, start by opening the Reddit website or mobile app. If you are using the website, click on the Preferences icon located in the top right corner of the page. Then select Preferences from the drop-down menu. If you are using the mobile app, tap the profile icon and then select Settings. In the Preferences or Settings menu, scroll down to the Privacy and Security section. Here you will find the option to enable private browsing, also known as incognito mode or private mode, depending on your browser or device. For the website, under the Account Preferences section, you will see an option to enable private browsing. Select the box next to this option to enable it. For the mobile app, under the Account Settings section, you will see an option to enable private browsing mode. Toggle the switch next to this option to enable it. Once you have enabled private browsing, Reddit will no longer store your browsing history or search queries. This means that your activity on the site will not be saved to your account, and you will not see any personalized recommendations or ads based on your browsing history. It is worth noting that enabling private browsing in Reddit does not make you completely anonymous. Your internet service provider and other third parties may still be able to track your activity. To maximize your privacy, consider using a virtual private network or a browser with built-in private browsing capabilities. To exit private browsing mode, simply go back to the Preferences or Settings menu and deselect the private browsing option. This will restore your normal browsing settings and allow Reddit to store your browsing history and search queries once again. By following these steps, you can enable private browsing in Reddit and take control of your online privacy. Remember to always prioritize your online security and take steps to protect your personal data. When browsing the internet,